watch there.
Alright, so the sun heated up my phone, so we're continuing. This is where we left off, right? And here we go. Put this nail in there. There's that nail. I'm gonna put one more on this side. It's got one there. Just gonna put one here too. Alright, and so right there, as I'm lifting it, again, we're not even hitting, like, it's gonna be around 20 degrees. I'm hitting it, I'm holding this in the back. Make sure that does not bend or crease in any way. So there it is. And there where I'm holding it, I'm gonna move it. As you can see, look, 20, 25 degrees tops. Okay, that's what that is. Now I'm just gonna put some here, here, here. That way, this can actually have the nails. So I'm gonna come back over here. It's actually starting to seal already. I don't want to get it too close to the edge. Here I am right here. There it is. And again, wrong side. 20 degrees. I'm not lifting that. But even then, oh, these are already starting to stick, is how hot this is. Okay, there I am, like, holding this down, lifting this up. Whew, fucking hot. Right here, I'm gonna move it, show you guys again how many degrees I'm actually lifting it. 35, 30, not even 35, it's 30. Does it capture that? If you get closer, 30 degrees there. Okay, a couple more nails. Starting to stick real good. As it should. As it should. This heat is just, it's crazy. Okay, so right there. About lifted about right there. It's still only 20, 25 degrees there. Still 25. On this one, on this side for now. Okay, you're near the edge. There it is. Proper technique, as they say. On a hot day like this. And get as close as you can, Diego. 25 degrees, tops 30 right there. 45 is up here. So as you can see, all right? So there is that. Technically, we could put one more nail, but honestly, this is good here. So here we go. This is how these are left. The seals are broke on this because I had to get up there. Those might not seal anymore, but we have some of the granules that are, you know, they're old, but it's not bad. There it is. So we'll send this video in to them. And these are starting to stick. It's good. But then these are lifting. This will probably stick a little.